today we are going to use an electric pot by Dezin, and it has a steamer on top of it. So you can do just the pot or the pot and the steamer. And what are we going to make? We're going to make chicken choux mein that we picked up from Trader Joe's, and I have some leftover little bao buns that I picked up at my local Asian market. So we're going to do both of those. We're going to steam them. All right, let's take this out of the box, see what's included and everything, how to use it, and wash it up, and then we'll get going. All right, stick with us. Okay, so we took it out of the box, we washed it up. We have a detachable cord. It's for easy storing. We have the pot, and we have off, low, and high heat. We have a lid with steam holes and the steamer basket. And last but not least, we have a little flipper or spatula that you can use to cook your food with. Move it around, get it out of the pot. Okay, so here are the instructions. It tells you not to submerge this into water. So if you wash this, put it on the counter, put some water, soapy water in it, and wash it that way. But do not let water get onto the bottom or into where the cord plugs into. All right, here are the instructions, and they do come with a couple of recipes. Steamed egg, bread, meat in the steamer, hot pot, cooking noodles, and healthy egg salad. So keep that around in case you want to try any of those recipes. Okay, so first things first, we are going to put water in it because you can't steam without water. And then we're going to put our food in. And we're going to figure out first how fast the water takes to boil, because first the water has to boil before you can put the steamer on and the lid. Okay? Here is our water. And I only put about an inch of water in here. It doesn't take a lot of water to steam things. And since we're steaming things for our first try, that's all I needed. All right. We're going to plug it in, and we're going to get going. All right. Right now, it is not on, but it says that it's 77.9. My son is going to turn this pot on to high because we want to see how fast the water will boil. So I'm going to have you turn it on to high. And we'll try on this. Okay, you don't have to keep pointing it. All right. So it's 11:56, 3 minutes later, 57 now on my clock stove. All right, so let's show this because it's boiling.
Yeah, say 198.
198. Pretty darn close. It looks like it's boiling, so we're going to open up our chicken and vegetable dumplings and our pork soup buns. Now the instructions say to either do them in the microwave or on the stovetop with a steamer, and to do them for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove that. All right, continuing on, put them in the basket. All right, you're going to want to give them a little bit of space so that they have enough room to cook. That's a lot of space. Okay, can you put some of my pork buns in? And the pork buns take a little bit longer, so we'll set the timer for 4 minutes. How about? And we'll take the chicken and vegetable dumplings out and leave the pork buns in there. We'll see how they turn out. We have our dog trying to help us out here. Come on, lay down. Oh, no, come here. Come here. Oh, you did. All right, we're going to put the lid on. And then we're going to put the steamer basket on top of the pot. Now, you have the option, if you want to use just the pot and the lid, it still works. All right, can you set our timer for 3 minutes? All right. And there is 3 minutes. We're going to take the chicken, just lift the lid. You might need tongs.
Oh wow, that's pretty wide.
I'm not so sure. Alright. Let's take these out with tongs. I'm not so sure that little spatula that it comes with will work. I'll take out. Oh good, they didn't stick, but that's great. And we'll put them on our plate. It comes with dipping sauce. So 3 of these is actually a serving, and it's 16 carbs. This is lunch, and, well, he's hungry, so he's going to have more than just 1 serving. And we'll break one open for you so you can see what's inside and how well it cooks. And you're going to have all of them?
We're done cooking, right?
Yeah. You're extra hungry, huh? You got one more?
I'm probably not gonna have
okay.
all of them.
All right. So, all right. You're gonna share?
Hey.
Aw. Nice. I'm gonna have you take the gun there, the thermometer gun, not the gun. There we go. All right. We're gonna not the food, the water. The water is still boiling. 204.8 is what the thermometer is saying. So, yeah. Awesome. It's working just great. Nothing is hot. We're not using pot holders because nothing is hot. We're not burning our fingers. So, yeah. This is a great little thing. Don't forget to turn it off and unplug it when you are done. Alright? Let's cut into these, see how they look. Alright, here we go. We're going to cut one open and see what the inside looks like. See how well it's done. So, let's see. See how well we did. First try. Does it look pretty good?
Yeah, I think
Is it hot? Is it? .5. I'd say that's hot. You want to grab a fork and give it a try? And it comes. This box comes with some dipping sauce. So. Pretty good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's pretty good. I was just going to say, he's shaking his head, yes. All right. This pot is so great. You can do so many things with it. We're going to show you how to do things like instant potatoes or rice if you don't have a rice maker, or macaroni if you don't buy the microwavable kind. Things like that. Real easy, basic things. You can boil eggs even, or heat up a can of soup. So this is a really great little appliance I recommend for your dorm room. It's so versatile. It can do so much. Thanks for stopping by, and until the next time, bye.